GK class. Okay, before starting our today's class, what we learnt in the previous class? As we learnt our family. How many members are there in your family, and who is the head of our family? As children, who is our father, who is our mother, who is our brother, sister, cousins? As these members are known in our last class. Yes, children, today we start a new chapter, that is my house. Okay. Today we are starting new chapter, that is my house. In previous class we learned how many members are lived in our house. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನೈತಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಎಸ್ today we see all those things. Yes, in your house, yes, why we want a house? ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್? ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾ? Yes, home is a place protect us from a rain, from a wind, from a summer. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀವಿ? ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಮಳೆ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀವಿ? ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಮ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮಳೆ ರೈನ್ದಿಂದ, ಸಮರ್ದಿಂದ, ವಿಂಟರ್ದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಮನಿ. ಹೋಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. That's why we want a house. Yes, children. Yes, in a house some rooms are there. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ? Today we learn about how many rooms are there in our house and what we do in that rooms. Okay, what we see in that rooms. Okay, first one in your house, first we have one room, that is a living room. ಹೌದಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಲ್. in your living room, what you see, what we do? Yes, we see sofas. Yes, children, we see television, we see table, we see some items. Okay, then what we do in our living room? In our living room, we watch a TV. We watching a TV, children, and we read the newspapers. Newspaper read ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Or we have some tea. As we play with our friends, or we play with our sisters and brothers. Home games or indoor games ಆಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಕಿಚನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಡ್ತೀರಿ? No, we play some games. We chat with our friends, we chat with our parents, we talk with our parents, we watch a television in our living room. Yes, children, we want a living room for we discuss some topics, we chit-chatting, we play indoor games with our sisters and brothers. Yes, we read a newspaper. Yes, children, we want a living room. This is our living room. Yes, children. Second one is kitchen. In kitchen, who is there always in kitchen? ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಿಚನ್ ಒಳಗೆ? ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರವರು? Yes, mommy. Mom, what she do there in kitchen? Mommy, what she do? Yes, she cooked a food. She cooked a food and it comes great smell. That food comes great smell. Yes, children, mummy cook ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕಿಚನ್ ಒಳಗ, ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗ. As that is kitchen ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆ. Mummy makes a food there only. Yes, children. Then we grab a spoon, we grab a plates. Grab means now spoon ತಗೋತೀವಿ, plates ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Yes, children. Uh, in kitchen we see eating items. Yes, children. We see cooking items. Yes, isn't it? We see biscuits, vegetables, fruits in a kitchen room only, na? We see that's in a living room. No, na? We see vegetables, fruits and eating items in a kitchen room, and we cooked in a kitchen room only. Okay? Yes, children, we do all these things in our kitchen room. Yes? Yes? Then next room is our bedroom. What we do in our bedroom? When our body get tired, that time we want a rest. That time we go on our bedroom and take a rest. When we get a sleep, that time also we go in the bedroom and we will take some rest. Yes, children? ಬಹಳ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೈರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. Yes, that is called our bedroom. In our bedroom, we see cot, bed sheet, pillow, mat and cupboard. In our bedroom, this is we have na. As in your bedroom you have one cot. Go and observe your bedroom. How is that? Okay, you have one cot as bed sheet, pillow, lamp and what? Cupboard. We want a bedroom for take a rest, or when we got sleep, that time we go to bedroom and we rest there only. Yes, children. Yes. Next one is bathroom. Why we want a bathroom? Why we want a bathroom? Yes, for a bath or brush our teeth. Then for wash our face, for get a fresh, we want a bathroom. In a bathroom, which items we will see? We will see tub, we will see mug, tap, paste, brush, soaps, towel. Yes, na children? Yes. Today you do one thing. You see your home. Yes, and identify which is your living room. In living room, which items are there, and go to kitchen. Which is your identify kitchen? Which is your kitchen, and which items you have to find? What mother is what is doing in mother? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಹೌದಾ? and study room. Another one is kitchen. In your house you see where is your living room, where is your kitchen, where is your bedroom and where is your bathroom, and what type of items or what you have in those rooms. In living rooms, what you have? We have television, we have AC, we have sofa, we have divana cot, we have chairs. Yes, children, we have some garden materials. Yes, in kitchen room we have spoon, plates, vessels, fridge. Yes, then oven. Next, some items: grinder, cooker, gas. Yes, in kitchen we have these items. In bedroom we have cot, bed sheet, cupboard, mirror. Yes, children. Yes, in our bathroom what we have? We have some pasters, some soaps, brush, yes, tub, tap, mug, this type of towels, this type of items we have in a bathroom. Okay, children? As in your home you identify which is your living room, which is your kitchen and which is your bedroom and which is your bathroom. Identify and see which items there in that rooms. Okay, children? Okay. Today your work is that only. You identify your home. In your home just ನೀವು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮು ಕಿಚನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಂಡೋ ಅದಾವ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ? 1 2 3 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಂಡೋ ಅದಾವ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. You have a terrace. You identify what type of home you have. You have identify. So you have identify and tell to your mother. Okay, children, martirala. As in your flashcards, they are given these flashcards or pictures, which is your living room and which is your kitchen and which is your bedroom and which is your bathroom. Okay, children. Okay, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದು ನಿಮ್ದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಮ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಕಿಚನ್. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೇನ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್. ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ we will meet with the new chapter, students. Okay, bye.